Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to change password on the Houseparty app. So let's start. But before moving forward, you have to remember that you cannot change the password on the app. Now let me show you how you can change your password. First, open the Houseparty app. First, you have to log out from your profile. Now tap on the settings icon at the top left corner. And before logging out, tap on Edit Profile. And make sure that you remember your email or your username. Now go back to Settings. And then tap on Log Out. And then tap Log Out again. Now tap on I already have an account and then tap on Forgot Password. A new browser window will open. Now enter your email ID here. And then tap on Reset Password. Now open your email. A password reset link will be sent to your email. Here you can see that I have already received the password reset link. Now tap on the link. And another browser window will open. Now type in your new password twice and then tap on Reset Password. And your password of the Houseparty app will be changed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.